Welcome to Lina English Podcast, the place where your English speaking journey becomes easy, fun, and real. Every day, you'll get clear shadowing practice, powerful vocabulary, and natural pronunciation exercises. Repeat after me. Speak with me. Trust yourself, and let's grow your English fluency one step at a time. Hello, and welcome back. Today, we are going to practice talking about something we all do every single day, our daily routine. This is a wonderful topic for beginners. We will listen, learn, and speak together. Let's start by just listening. Here is my story, my simple daily routine. My day begins early. I wake up with the sunlight. I stretch my arms and get out of bed. First, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. The cold water helps me feel awake. Then, I get dressed in comfortable clothes. Next, I walk to the kitchen. I love the quiet of the morning. I make a warm cup of tea and a simple breakfast. I often have eggs or some fruit. I eat my breakfast and look out the window watching the birds. After I clean my dishes, I get ready for my day. I might go for a short walk in the fresh air. Or, if I have errands, I walk to the local market. I enjoy seeing my neighbors and saying good morning. I come home and spend my morning reading a book or writing in my journal. I find it very peaceful. At noon, I stop to make a healthy lunch. I like to prepare my food myself. In the afternoon, I often do chores around the house. I water my plants, or I tidy up the rooms. I find it satisfying to have a clean and organized home. Sometimes, I meet a friend for a conversation and a cup of coffee. As the evening comes, I start to make dinner. I enjoy cooking. The smell of food fills my home. After dinner, I wash the dishes and put everything away. My evenings are for relaxing. I might listen to soft music. I often read more of my book, or I just sit and think about my day. I feel grateful for the simple things. When I feel tired, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. I turn off the light, close my eyes, and fall asleep easily, ready for a new day tomorrow. Okay. Wonderful listening. Now it's your turn to practice. We will go sentence by sentence. I will say a line, and then you will have time to repeat it out loud. Copy my voice. Copy my rhythm. Ready? Let's speak together. Part 1. Listen and repeat. I wake up with the sunlight. I stretch my arms and get out of bed. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth with cold water. Then, I get dressed in comfortable clothes. Next, I walk to the kitchen. I make a warm cup of tea. I prepare a simple breakfast. I often have eggs or some fruit. I eat and look out the window. After breakfast, I clean my dishes. I get ready for my day. I go for a short walk in the fresh air. I enjoy seeing my neighbors. I say good morning. I come home and read a book. I write in my journal. I find it very peaceful. At noon, I make a healthy lunch. I like to prepare my food myself. In the afternoon, I do chores. I water my plants. I tidy up the rooms. I have a clean and organized home. Sometimes I meet a friend. We have a conversation. As the evening comes, I make dinner. I enjoy cooking. The smell of food fills my home. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I put everything away. My evenings are for relaxing. I might listen to soft music. I read more of my book. I sit and think about my day. I feel grateful for the simple things. When I feel tired, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I change into my pajamas. I turn off the light. I close my eyes. I fall asleep easily, You are doing so well. That was excellent practice. Now, let's learn a few key words from our story. Vocabulary practice. The first word is errands. ERNDS. Errands are short trips to do simple tasks, like going to the market. Repeat after me. Errands. Pause. Example. I walked to the local market to do my errands. The next word is tidy up. TIDYUP. Tidy up means to make a place neat and clean. Repeat after me. Tidy up. Pause. Example. I tidy up the rooms in my house. The last word is grateful. GRATFUL. Grateful means you feel thankful for something. Repeat after me. Grateful. Pause. Example. I feel grateful for the simple things in life. Perfect. Now, for our final challenge, shadowing. I will tell the story one more time at a natural speed. Try to speak with me. Match my words as you hear them. It's like our voices are dancing together. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try. Here we go. Read this final version at a slightly faster, flowing pace for shadowing. My day begins early with the sunlight. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed and walk to the kitchen. I make tea and breakfast. I eat while looking out the window. After, I clean my dishes and get ready for the day. I might go for a walk or do errands. I come home to read or write. At noon, I make lunch. In the afternoon, I do chores like watering plants and tidying up. Sometimes I meet a friend. In the evening, I cook dinner. After I wash the dishes, I relax. I might listen to music or read. I feel grateful. When I'm tired, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, change clothes, and fall asleep easily. Sound a little breathless and happy. Wow! You did it! You were speaking right along with me. That is fantastic. Remember, practice is the key. Try to describe your own daily routine using some of these words. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. This is Lina from Lina English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.